I've had things where amazing manifestations have come through that I was not even believing could happen.
Now that's a thought worth thinking and a statement worth making.
Okay.
Because that's the construction of thought ways that can ultimately lead you to something you want. Yes.
But what seems to happen?
Now why would you go there?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. I will do things like...
Wait! It's never fun to be first.
It's okay.
We're going to let you get away with the construction of anything you want.
Okay.
We're just not going to let you get away without making a lot of fun of you.
Okay.
We just want you to be aware of what you're doing because most people aren't. In other words, you use really interesting criteria under the guise of wanting to understand, under the guise of wanting to be entertaining, and maybe guise isn't the right word, but for the reason of wanting to entertain or wanting to leave accurate historical records or wanting somebody else to understand where you're coming from or wanting somebody to understand or even to try to understand yourself. Why am I here? Well, let's see, maybe I can retrace all the steps. But the thing is, you can't retrace the steps without constructing a whole new highway.
Okay.
So, use this time wisely. And we don't just mean this time where you're talking to infinite intelligence and those who have access to everything that is in your vortex, where you've opened a pathway and can have anything that you want. We don't just mean this time. We mean any time is that time. Any time is that time. Whether you're sitting before infinite intelligence or not. Any time is that time. Any time is that time.
I guess I'm not aware I'm constructing...
Now, wait a minute.
What?
Why would you construct that? I'm a
I don't
very
know.
stupid and unaware person. You don't want to construct that either. Use this time very wisely.
Okay. Okay, I won't do that anymore.
What will you do?
Let go of that.
By letting go of that, getting hold of something else. So what is the something else? In other words, you started off really, really well. You went this way, and then we just sort of caught you before you went too far that way, but can you pick up that again and go that way again? In other words, you said something very, very, very...
exciting. I manifest things that are amazing. And then somehow everything...
Wait! You see how it goes? In other
Okay.
words, now,
okay,
well,
I manifest things that are amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just do that.
I manifest things that are amazing. Now, you see, by hanging in here together and realizing, in other words, we got your attention and now you're focused. I manifest things that are amazing, or I manifest things that are amazing such as. In other words, do any of you believe us when we say your thoughts are constructing throughways and that manifestation follows them? Do you believe this at all? Do your thoughts manifest? Then why would you ever say but? Why would you ever construct that side of it? Why do you do that? It just has to be because there's something active in your vibration. Now, to be fair to you, this conversation would have gone a lot differently if you had sat for 15 minutes and allowed your vibration to raise and had come into complete sync with your vortex. And then you would sit and you would chat about what's in your vortex. And many of you would say, well, Abraham, if I do that, then I don't need to come here and talk with you. And we say, good. Good. We don't want you to ever see us as the sounding board for unveiling problems. We want you to see us as the support system of everything that you are and everything that you're asking for. We want you to understand that your vortex is your sounding board for all of the wonderful things. Have you ever gone to lunch and wanted to complain to somebody and they're just so damn positive they don't let you complain? And you think, well, it'll be a long time before I go to lunch with you again. And they're thinking the same thing. So we're just asking you to make your statement of intention. What is the intention in this segment of life experience? Is your intention to chart thoughtways that will lead to a construction of a project that's just going to thrill you when it manifests? Or is your intention to construct something that doesn't please you? And of course, that's a ridiculously simple question, because of course the answer is, I always want to construct something that will please me when I get there. We just want you to understand that every single minute of every single day, you have the option of constructing wanted or unwanted things. Period, 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 period. In other words, you're either constructing something wanted or unwanted, and you can tell by the way you feel which you are doing.
Thank you.
So tell us about, if you want to, some of these wonderful things that you are manifesting.
Specifics?
As specific as you can be without giving us a but.
I want to do amazing things in my career. I want health.
Well, we're off the track already. It's all right, because you see, your vantage point is, I want things I don't have.
Okay.
You started with a really positive statement with us. Can you remember what it was?
I manifest amazing things.
Yeah, and that's the part we want you to tell us about. Not what you're going to manifest, not what you want to manifest, not what you can't yet manifest. I manifest amazing things. Talk about that, and do you see what happens? When you talk about the amazing things you manifest, you open those thought ways. You carve out little vibrational roadways. You say to the universe, roads open, bring more here, bring more stuff like that to me, bring more stuff like that to me now. You see. We know we must be very annoying. But there are these powerful laws that say you get what you think about, whether you want it or not. And we are seeing a lot of people who have these magnificent vortices that they are actually constructing roadways that are leading away from them rather than to them because of some misunderstanding of how it all works, you see. And the only thing that we can figure out is that you're trying to be like others, you're trying to explain to others. You were just the perfect person for it because you're bright, you're brilliant, you're willing, you're playful, you're self-sufficient enough that we're not hurting your feelings. Precisely. You've come to understand, you want to understand, you mostly do understand, you're fine-tuning. And so we've just given you everything we've got about how to get to where you want to be from where you are. So, this is construction. Let's always think in terms of construction. Is this a hard thing? Is it a hard thing to offer a vibration that is different from where you are? All right, it is. It's not only a hard thing, it's an impossible thing. She can't find the thought ways. It's all bright for us. We can see it. It's all bright for us, but she can't find the thought ways because the roadway isn't there yet. So just sit and relax, and we're going to ramble, and we're going to build you some roadways. We're going to make some statements that as you hear them and as you listen, and there isn't anything for you to do except just listen to these words, we're going to show you how to construct some thought roadways that then will make it easy for you to pick right up and take right off. Good idea? I accept that I live in a vibrational universe. And I like the idea of getting back to the core of vibration. I can feel that that's primal or visceral. I can feel that that's where my inner being is. That's who my inner being is. And I can easily accept that my inner being is a pure vibration, an uncluttered vibration, meaning no resistance. I can feel that my inner being is a vibration of love and worthiness. In other words, personal known value. I can feel that my inner being is love and is source and knows it and stands in this central place of radiating well-being. I can feel that that's who my inner being is. And I love it when I hook up with that, and I do often. I can feel when I'm really in alignment with that, and I can feel when I'm not. I love that I have this guidance system. I'm glad that my emotions are such good indicators to me. And I can feel when I'm skirting on the edge, and I can feel when I dive right in, and I can feel when I'm far from it. I'm really getting a good handle on my emotions, which give me my clear indication of my alignment with this core of stability and excellence and exuberance and love and passion and power. I can feel the fullness of the power of the universe at times. And I know that I can access that power and that I can direct it toward whatever matters to me. I just love knowing that I'm an extension of that. And I'm not even bothered in realizing that sometimes I deviate from that power, because I know I was born to do a little deviating. I know I was born to sift through the contrast to give birth to some desires. And so I've been doing that. I've been sifting. I've been knowing what I don't want and knowing what I do want. And I can feel that I have built a really powerful vortex of creation that I'm now ready to tap into. I like knowing it's there, and I like the idea of building some roadways to it. I like knowing that unless I'm doing that thing I'm doing that's constructing other roadways, that I'm right there. I also like knowing that I don't have to tear down the other roadways. I just have to, from right now where I am, just hook up with the one that leads to where I want to go. It's like all paths are possible. I'm just going to hook up with the one vibrationally that will lead me where I want to go. So I'm now getting that creation isn't about asking Abraham or figuring out on my own how to manifest stuff. I'm understanding that creation is how to figure out how to hook in with the thought ways that take me to the road that takes me in the direction of what I'm wanting to go. That my work in every moment is the creation of a thought now that hooks me up in the direction of where I want to go. I don't have to figure out how to build the whole highway or how to build the whole house or how to build the whole life or how to build the whole dream. I just have to figure out how to get on the highway moving in the right direction. I just have to find those just beginning pieces of it. And I know that they always feel good when I find them. I can find them by frivolously playing doodle jump. I can find them by taking a walk on the beach. I can find them by putting on my headphones and listening to music. I can find them by putting my feet in the water and looking at the clouds or the stars. In other words, I don't have to be hard after anything. All I have to do is hook up with the thought ways. And most of the effort that I offer hooks me up with the wrong pathway. My effort is wrong-headed. It's my relaxing. It's my letting it go. It's my letting it be that hooks me up with the right pathway. So here I am. I'm all hooked up. I'm hooked up. I'm tuned in, tapped in, turned on. I can feel my alignment with Source. And now, in my alignment with Source, I think I would like to entertain myself, surprise and delight myself a little bit. I would like to enjoy myself by talking to myself about what a good creator I am. I think I will entertain myself with those pleasing thoughts that are so in sync with who I am right now in this moment. For example, I created, and I really liked it.
A beautiful child that I adopted.
I managed to come into vibrational alignment with someone who is at core a vibrational match to me without even giving birth to this child. Talk about the laws of the universe coming into sync for me. I'm really, really good at allowing well-being to flow to me in that way. There was no earning. There was just allowing it to be. And the universe knocked itself out big time in creating, in co-creating with me this magnificent thing. I am so good at what I do. I love co-creating with this universe who has all of the resources and all of the knowledge of everything I want and the knowledge of where everything is in relationship with me about everything that I want. I am in such good hands with these universal forces who guide me moment by moment, incrementally. Things are always working out for me. No matter what, things are always working out for me. Because in every moment I'm either contributing to the vortex or I'm lining up with it. Things are always working out for me. You see? What else? One more thing. One more thing.
A career that has credits I'm very proud of.
Right there. Right there. What else?
A lovely husband who makes me laugh.
Big time. Big time alignment. Big time creation. Big time kudos to you. What else?
A circle of friends I adore.
And first in the hot seat. Good time for a segment of the day.
Thank you.